So that makes your calculation very simple, and it is also going to be time consuming with more softwares available for computation. You can do it very quickly in a few seconds of the simulation. So for devices to have an optimum noise performance, we are going to quantify what is the noise factor. So noise factor is defined as this formula. So total output noise power divided by the total noise due to input source. So this is given by noise factor. The noise factor is different from noise figure. So don't get confused. Noise factor is relating to the total noise power. So now output, what all total noise I'm going to measure, and inputs, what all noises I'm going to inject. So that ratio is going to be F. So this F will clearly measure what is the degradation in the SNR of your system. SNR is called as signal to noise ratio. Okay, so output, see this output noise power includes the noise power due to source plus the noise power introduced by the two-port network. It is that the numerator will have two terms. One is the noise power due to source plus the noise power due to the device, source plus device. Okay, so it will have two terms, source plus device. And the denominator is only because of the input noise source. So definitely if the numerator is going to have a larger value, F will be very high. F is a proportional, F is a measure of how much my system is degrading. So if F value is very high, it means the system is degrading in SNR. Signal to noise ratio is very poor. The signal strength is becoming weaker. The noise is becoming dominant. So larger the degradation, larger the noise factor. As the name indicates, noise factor. So if the noise factor is larger noise. Noise is larger means the signal quality is going to be poor. So if a system is not going to add any noise due to itself, it is going to just use the input noise. Then I told you numerator is going to be source plus the device noise, right? So the device's noise is going to be 0. Then numerator will be equal to denominator. So the noise factor is going to be unity. So ideally, we require f value to be equal to 1. So f value is ideally equated to ideal value of f is required to be 1. Or in dB, if you say it is going to be 0 dB because it is noise power, right? So 10 log 1 is going to be 0 dB. This is the ideal case, but practically f value will be far away from unity. Okay, so remember the numerator will have two components, source plus device. If we take the device is not going to add any noise, then the D component will become 0. Source by source will get cancelled, so F value is going to be 1. Or in dB scale, I can say it is going to be 0 dB.